Let's settle this. How much do you really know about cats? Cats are mysterious, independent, and full of surprises. Did you know they can make over 100 different sounds? Or that they sleep for about 16 hours a day? I've tried to understand them, watched them, read about them, and still, they keep me guessing. But that's what makes them so fascinating, right? Their purrs, their playful antics, and those moments when they just stare into space. So, what's the most surprising thing you've learned about cats? Comment below, or just enjoy the mystery.